In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the HubSpot integration with DocuSign, so you can connect both platforms and start sending documents for signature directly from your CRM. If you're using HubSpot to manage contacts, deals, or sales pipelines, and you're using DocuSign for contracts or agreements, integrating the two can save you a huge amount of time and eliminate manual work. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step so you can get this connected in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your HubSpot dashboard, you'll be on your main home screen where you can access contacts, conversations, marketing tools, and more. From here, we need to access the Marketplace where HubSpot integrations are located. Next, look toward the top navigation bar and click on Marketplace. This is where HubSpot allows you to browse and install integrations, apps, and tools that connect with your account. After clicking Marketplace, select HubSpot Marketplace from the drop-down options. This will take you to the App Marketplace, where you can search for third-party integrations. Once you're inside the HubSpot Marketplace, go to the search bar and type in DocuSign. As you type, you should see DocuSign appear in the search results. Click on the DocuSign integration listing to open its details page. Here, you'll be able to review information about what the integration does, including syncing data, sending envelopes, and tracking signature status directly inside HubSpot. Now, to connect DocuSign to HubSpot, click on the Install button. HubSpot will begin the installation process and prompt you to connect your DocuSign account. At this stage, you'll be asked to log into your DocuSign account if you're not already signed in. After logging in, DocuSign will ask you to grant permissions so HubSpot can access certain data. This is required for the integration to function properly, such as creating and sending envelopes, accessing templates, and updating contact records. Carefully review the permissions being requested, and once you're ready, click to give access and authorize the connection. Once access is granted, HubSpot and DocuSign will complete the integration automatically. After installation, you'll be able to use DocuSign features directly within HubSpot records. For example, you can go to a contact, company, or deal record and create a DocuSign envelope without leaving HubSpot. You'll also be able to track the status of sent documents, see when they've been viewed, and know when they've been signed. This integration is especially useful for sales teams because it keeps all your contract activity connected to your CRM. Instead of switching between platforms, everything stays organized in one place. It also helps reduce errors since contact details can automatically populate into your DocuSign templates. And that's it. That's how you use the HubSpot integration with DocuSign, by installing it directly from the HubSpot Marketplace and granting the necessary access. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and once it's connected, your document workflow becomes much more streamlined. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow HubSpot and DocuSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.